In this video, we're going to be installing MBRP's Race Catback exhaust for an 18 to 20 model Mustang GT. We're going to be putting it on our buddy Brian's 19 GT he just got. He's very excited to get it on there. And we're going to be doing a before and after video for you and then showing you how to install it. It's very simple. It took us like 20 minutes. The longest thing you'll have to deal with is jacking the car up. So, check it out. Start it up. Take it up the road. What do you think?
That is badass.
Give it a few revs. Hey, it sounds pretty good.
I get it.
He said that is badass.
I get it.
Even if I got a ticket, I'd be like, okay.
I didn't have any problems with it when I had it.
I don't think it's bad enough for very much. It's loud, but not getting in it.
through road checks in that damn Ranger and it popping their damn ground, those converters, nothing.
Be alright. Sounds good though.
Well, there you have it. The exhaust sounds great to me. It's a very loud and aggressive setup, but it's not nearly as raspy as some of the other Coyotes I've heard. But it's got more like a unique growl to it, and it sounds awesome. The owner loves it, and that tickled us, you know. Glad to see him happy. It's just what he's looking for. It's a very nice system. It's a manual bent, everything's stainless, the tips look awesome, you know, the clamps are nice, everything on it's great. And for the money, you can't beat it. Brian did get this one from my buddy Tyler. They cut each other a good deal on it, and that worked out well for him. But compared to some of the other catbacks I've seen new, it's definitely a better budget, you know, friendly catback. If you want something with this kind of tone, loud and aggressive, I'd grab it. You can go louder, you know, put headers on it, mid-pipe, get rid of the converters, you know, and it'll be an awesome sound. You delete the mid muffler with it and the back mufflers. It does have resonators that kind of deafen it some, but I've heard louder, you know, but it's definitely a nice exhaust for an 18 to 20 car. I'd recommend it if you want that kind of sound. But if you want to see more videos like this or other tutorials or either more videos of the 2019, let us know in the comments and give us some feedback. Thank you all for watching.